Why should you drink cinnamon water or tea every day? Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. In today's video, we will go over the benefits of drinking cinnamon water and cinnamon tea. The benefits of cinnamon have been utilized for centuries for both health and healing. It's been used by many cultures due to its health benefits, not to mention its sweet and spicy taste are used in a wide variety of recipes. To get its benefits, it's important to intake daily. You can make flavored water, infuse it with tea, or even add it to a shake. Studies have proven the effectiveness of the spice for some health issues. There are 7 benefits of consuming cinnamon every day. Reinforces the immune system. Cinnamon has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, therefore it can be used to improve the immune system. If you drink cinnamon water every day, it will reduce the chances of developing things like the flu, common cold, etc. Other than that, it's also great against candidiasis. Improves blood circulation. Drinking cinnamon tea helps to improve blood flow, working as a natural dilutive for blood. By adding cinnamon to tea, it protects the heart by reducing the levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol. Reduces the risk of diabetes. By affecting cholesterol and blood circulation, the tea helps control blood sugar, contributing to the sensation of satiety. Its high amounts of polyphenols improves insulin function and reduces the risk of diabetes. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon tea can help with joint pain. Consuming cinnamon on a regular basis can assist people who suffer from arthritis, osteoporosis, and many other inflammation-related diseases. It can also help in the prevention of Alzheimer's and Crohn's disease. Prevents premature aging. Cinnamon tea has antioxidant properties that give your body essential nutrients, contributing to the prevention of premature aging by purifying the body, while it improves skin tone and fights acne. Assists with losing weight. Cinnamon water or tea helps keep the hunger away by giving a sensation of satiety. It's an awesome tool for people who want to lose weight. May help to prevent cancer. According to a study conducted by City of Hope Cancer Center, the consumption of cinnamon tea blunts tumor growth. It's not a cure by any means, but if cancer runs in your family, you may want to consider supplementing with cinnamon tea or cinnamon water. Making it is very straightforward. Fill a jar with water and put 2 cinnamon sticks in it. Let the bottle sit in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Your cinnamon water will be ready in the morning. Bear in mind though, it's better to drink it at room temperature. Will you start drinking cinnamon water or tea? Let us know what you think in the comments. We hope you found this information useful. Please like the video if you found it informative. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications. Here are our suggestions of videos to watch next.